So looking to get started with Java programming? You're welcome. So to get started, we're going to need two things. First, we're going to need to set up an IDE, and second, we're going to download and install a development module, which we refer to in this case as JDK.
Now the Java IDE that I use is IntelliJ IDEA from JetBrains. Now to download it, I come to the JetBrains official website. On the home page, I just scroll down and choose IntelliJ IDE for Java. After that, I go to download. I have the option to download for Windows, Mac, Linux. I choose Mac. IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate is the paid source, while I'm gonna choose IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition, which is free and total open source. Now in here, the choices depend. If your PC or laptop includes an Intel CPU, then it's better to choose the Intel version. Whereas if your CPU is M1 or M2, then it's better to choose the Apple Silicon version. Now in case you don't know, you just head up here about this map, and in here. Like my laptop CPU is the Apple M1 chip. So I'm gonna download the Apple Silicon version. And enter. Okay, after the IntelliJ installation and setup, we open it. This is our home screen. So I just go to new project. I want my project to be a Java project. The name of my project, I'm gonna call it sample. Okay, leave the location to default, but of course can be configured however you please. And let me just leave all that. And yeah, to mention, as for JDK can be directly installed from IntelliJ by just going to download JDK, and it will install the latest JDK version. Now, there's no new JDK version. The latest JDK version is 22. I already have it installed, so I'll just put cancel. And yeah, create. Okay, now I just go here, let me configure it, add new configuration, station, let me call it main. This is my JDK version I'm used for this project, and my main class is main. Apply and OK. Let me just click on run to see what it displays. Hello and welcome. I equal 1, I equal 2, 3, 4. It's not nice like that. Let me just fix it here. And again. Yes, there we go. Let me just add statement. Default statement is system.out.println. If we're starting with Java, hello world. Just here, something like that. Just remove that comment. Hello and welcome to Java programming run this time. Hello world, hello and welcome to Java programming. So yeah, that's basically it. We've set up IntelliJ, we've set up the latest JDK version, and we've successfully run our first Java program.
So in case you're more interested to go even more deeper into Java programming, I'm releasing on my YouTube channel video tutorials where I solve problems from the book Introduction to Java Programming. If you're interested, you can subscribe and you're welcome. Happy coding.